Nuclear fusion is one of the most powerful processes in the universe. It's the mechanism that powers stars, including our own sun, and represents a potential source of clean, virtually limitless energy for humanity. Nuclear fusion is the process where two light nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus. During this combination, a massive amount of energy is released. The key here is that we're bringing together small, light atomic nuclei, not splitting them apart. It's important to distinguish fusion from fission. In fusion, light nuclei combine together. In contrast, fission involves heavy nuclei splitting apart. Both processes release energy, but they work in opposite ways and have very different characteristics. Let's look at a common fusion reaction. When deuterium, which is hydrogen 2, combines with tritium, which is hydrogen 3, they form helium-4 and release a neutron. This particular reaction is one of the most studied because it occurs at relatively lower temperatures compared to other fusion reactions. For fusion to occur, extremely demanding conditions are required. First, temperatures must reach millions of degrees. Second, there must be incredibly high pressure. These conditions are necessary to overcome the electrostatic repulsion between positively charged nuclei, forcing them close enough to fuse. The Sun is nature's fusion reactor. In its core, hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium, releasing the energy that powers our entire solar system. The core temperature reaches 15 million degrees Celsius, with pressures exceeding 250 billion bar. These extreme conditions have been maintained naturally for billions of years. Fusion offers several remarkable advantages as an energy source. It releases enormous amounts of energy from small amounts of fuel. The fuel itself, primarily hydrogen isotopes, is abundant and readily available. Unlike fission reactors, fusion produces no long-lived radioactive waste, making it a much cleaner energy option. Despite its promise, fusion faces significant challenges. Scientists must sustain temperatures hotter than the sun's core. The reaction must be maintained for long durations to be practical. Most critically, current fusion experiments consume more energy than they produce. Achieving net positive energy output remains the holy grail of fusion research.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.